Hello and welcome to the VIMS refrigerator tray instructional video. I'm Dan DeVito from Marketing and Sales Training and Development. This video will walk you through the process of building these new trays and provide some tips and tricks to make the introduction of this new tray simple for you and for your customers. These new VIMS refrigerator trays were designed to increase efficiency, maximize storage space, and adapt easily to your customers' refrigerator storage needs. Feedback from the field is that the previous VIMS trays had some limitations. This new organizational system allows you to build a tray to fit the exact refrigerator specifications of each customer's refrigerator and vaccine supply. The new VIMS refrigerator tray will arrive to you disassembled in a kit. The first thing we'll do in this video is build a standard tray so that you're familiar with the steps. After that, we'll walk through some of the practical recommendations for introducing this new system to your customers. Each VIMS refrigerator tray kit contains enough pieces to construct two 12-inch long trays. This includes 24 of the 1-inch floor sections, 4 end caps. The right end cap is the one with the pins. The left end cap is the one with the holes. 4 dividers and 2 support legs. The kit also comes with an instruction sheet so that you can follow along with this video and build the trays at home, in your car, or in your customers' offices. The first step to building the VIMS tray is to build the floor. Align the pins on the left side of each floor section with the holes on the next floor section and press firmly together. Repeat with additional floor sections until you reach your desired width. In this case, we will build the standard 12-inch tray. Once the floor is completed to the appropriate width, step 2 is to attach the end caps. Align the pins on the inside of the right end cap with the holes on the right floor section and press firmly. Repeat with the pins on the left floor section and the holes on the left end cap. Once the end caps are attached, step 3 is to install the dividers. The dividers must be inserted in the center of a floor section. Tilt the divider back and insert the rear end under the rear rail. Push the front of the divider down and clip the front end under the front rail. Make sure the cleats on the bottom of the divider align with the shallow slots in the floor. The divider allows you to separate the vaccines within each tray. Now you have a completed tray. You'll notice on the instruction sheet that there's a section labeled stacking options. One of the great features of the new VIMS refrigerator trays is the fact that you can stack them to make better use of your customer's vaccine storage space. Keep in mind, in order to stack 2 trays, they must be the same width. By utilizing the legs provided, you can stack the VIMS trays with a large offset for access to the vaccines. In order to do this, align the end caps and press firmly together until they clip in place. When the 2 trays are clipped together, just slide them back to the desired configuration and attach the legs for support. To attach the legs, clip them to the underside of the upper tray. Place the legs as far back and apart as possible. This setup allows you to store more vaccines on one refrigerator shelf, but gives your customers more room to work. Now that you have seen how to build the new VIMS refrigerator trays, there are some practical recommendations and tips that will help your introduction of this new system to your customers. This new refrigerator organization system can be constructed to any width that you would like, with vaccine dividers at any interval that you would like. One thing you do not want to do is construct trays that are too wide or not wide enough, and I will explain what I mean by both of these. If you construct and stack trays larger than 16 to 18 inches wide, the middle of the upper tray will begin to sag due to the weight of the vaccines and the lack of support. If a customer's refrigerator is 24 inches wide, it would be better to build 2 12-inch trays and sit them side by side than to try to build one 24-inch tray. The opposite temptation may be to build very small trays. For example, I may want to fill that same 24-inch wide refrigerator with 6 separate 4-inch trays, one for each vaccine. The issue in this situation is that I will run out of end caps very quickly because only 2 are provided for every 12 inches of tray. The dividers provide a solution to this. You can place them where you need them within a tray to separate the various vaccines. Because of the multitude of options for the size tray built, divider placement and stacking options, you will have extra pieces in some kits and run short on pieces on other kits. Save all of the pieces. If one customer only wants a 10-inch tray, that leaves you extra 2 inches of floor to add to another customer's tray. You don't want to be in a situation where you are ordering an entire kit of trays because ABC Pediatrics just needs one more divider. Please practice building a few trays at home. You may not want to build these trays for the first time in front of your customers. Another related tip to streamline the introduction of this new system is to build some of the tray at home or in the car before going into the office. As you introduce the new VIMS system, please help your customers understand how to best use it, as well as why we created it. We have heard our customers express the need for more efficient organizational systems for vaccines. The new VIMS system is another example of Sanofi Pasteur addressing our customers' needs. Please use this opportunity to leverage VIMS to strengthen customer relationships in your territory. Thank you for your attention to the new VIMS system.